Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a pod review of the Rocoto Aji Largo. Alright, this is the last pod I picked for the season before everything froze, and I haven't done many reviews. I've got a couple others. I may have already posted them by the time you see this. If not, there are two more coming out. So I haven't been making as many videos as I would normally make this season, but I'm still around and still doing stuff. But I wanted to review this because it's one of my favorite peppers of the year. I grew 2 plants of it. This seeds came from Semillas La Palma, and I've always had great success with their seeds, and they have a really good selection and good prices too, and everything I've gotten from them has always grown true. So I also want to point out I'll be doing a giveaway. I got a bunch of seeds. I don't give all these away, but I'll probably do like 5 or so seed packs. So let me go show you the plant and I'll be right back. All right, so it's the last, literally the last day of the season. It's supposed to get into the 20s tonight, so I wanted to get one of these pods off the Aji Largo Rocoto. This looks like a good one. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go inside and give this a taste. All right, so yeah, so I got a pretty good harvest of these earlier, and I made a bunch of strawberry jelly with them, and they turned out really good. So I used about like a pound of, like if you look at my recipe on pepperinfo.com for like the gangsta berry, or I think it was like 1 or 2. It's kind of similar, but just variations of the fruits. Follow that recipe, but I used like a pound of these and a pound and a half of strawberries, and all the sugar and everything was the same from the recipes I posted. It turned out really good, so I wish I had more of these to make that with. So I'm going to be growing some in a indoor hydroponic system soon. I'll show you that. It's the Air Cube 6-light system. I've been another series of videos on those this winter. I'm just going to go grow all Aji Largo Rocotos. I've got the seeds started for those. So yeah, so let me go ahead and cut this open. I'll show you how it looks. Black seeds Rocotos have, which is a pretty cool trait. It's very fresh smelling. The Rocoto peppers have a very signature smell, and they're very juicy, as you can see. I might be saying it wrong. Some people say Rocotos. I say Rocotos, but I'm not really sure if I'm saying it right, but I don't really care. Yeah, let me get these seeds out of here and I'll taste it. Yeah, so it's the Aji Rocoto, Aji Largo Rocoto. Yeah, it's really sweet and juicy. It's got that distinct Rocoto flavor. It's almost got kind of like a salty flavor to it too. Really nice mouth burn. Just kind of goes all over, probably because it's so juicy. It flows everywhere. Yeah, mostly just like all over my tongue. And it's got a good heat for a Rocoto or pubescent type pepper. Yeah, it's really fresh. It's my dog. Yeah, it's got a really fresh, juicy, kind of fruity, sweet flavor. Very nice heat. It's not like overwhelming, but it tastes good. It's manageable. I don't know how these would do dried. I've tried drying some my other ricotta's I've grown and they turned out really good. These might be good. I don't really have enough on the plant to do anything with now. But I'm going to be growing some indoors like I mentioned, so I may try that with those. Maybe make some more jelly. But yeah, so that's, I recommend Semillas La Palma for seeds. I'll put a link in the description where you can get those. And don't forget to put a comment below. We're doing a seed giveaway on these. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.